In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Seedance 2.0 for free, Veo 3.1 for free, and Kling Ai for free. These are all amazing tools for your AI video generations. I'm going to show you guys a platform that gives you free access to these AI tools. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video so you know how this actually works. Now, before we jump into the video, if this is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like the one you're about to watch. I also have a free AI community where I share different tips and tricks on how to use AI tools. It is totally free, so if you want to join, I'll leave the link in the video description down below. Alright guys, so the platform we are going to use is called roboneo.com. Now guys, make sure you stick around to the very end so you understand the full workflow. So once you search here on Google, just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to go ahead and take you right here. To sign up, just come over here, click on login. It's going to load up and take you here. So you can see there are different methods to register an account. You can continue with email, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with Apple. So you can select any method you want to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is where it's going to take you. Immediately you sign up on the platform, they give you 70 credits. But for me, currently you can see I have 90 credits here. But if you sign up as a new member, they give you 70 credits to start generating your AI videos with. Now don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get more credits on the platform so you can continue generating your AI videos. And you can see right here, every day the platform will give you 20 credits and it refreshes 12 midnight. But don't worry, I'm going to show you guys a way to get more credit on this platform so you can continue generating your videos. Alright, so to start generating videos, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on new project. It's going to take you here. Just come over here, click on this plus icon. So you can see right here, you can create images here. You can also create videos as well. You can make use of text to image. So you basically paste in the prompt and the AI generates image for you. They have image editor, enhance, image noise reduction, and image coloring, and the rest. So under the video creation here, you can create videos with text, image to video, first and last frame, motion control. You can create it using reference video. So in this video, we are going to try a couple of them. The first one we are going to try is text to video. I'm just going to go ahead and click on text to video here. So once you tap on it, this prompt box is going to open. So this is basically where you can type your prompt. You can see it right there. Over here, this is where you can select the model. Just click over here. Once you click on it, you can see here you can make use of Seedance 2.0. But if you are making use of Seedance 2.0, it requires you to have 100 credits. And remember, they only give you 20 credits every day. So stick around. I'm going to show you guys how to get more credits on the platform so you can continue generating high quality videos, even making use of Seedance 2.0. If you make use of Seedance 2.0 fast, this one consume 80 credits. If you make use of Seedance Pro, it's going to consume just 29 credits. Kling 3.0 consume 36 credits. Kling 2.6 consume 30 credits, and you can see you can also make use of Veo 3.1, all for free on this platform. So in this video, we are going to be using Kling 3.0 because we don't have much credits here. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip Seedance 2.0. But if you have up to 100 credits, which I'm going to show you guys how to quickly get more credits on the platform, you can just go ahead and make use of it to create your videos. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and select Kling 3.0. Over here, this is where you can select the duration, and the higher the duration, the higher the credits you consume. So for example, if I select 5 seconds here, I'll be able to generate a video with 36 carats, which is credits. But if I click on it here and click 8 seconds, you can see that it goes up to 58 carats, which is credits. And you can also come down here and select whether you want sound or you don't want sound in your video. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead and reduce it to 5 seconds right here. And the aspect ratio here, you can select 16:9, 1:1, or 9:16. So I'm going to leave it on 16:9. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my prompt here, or you can just collapse this right here. Just get rid of this and then drag this thing right here, drag it right here, and you basically see your prompt box here. This is where you can just go ahead and paste your prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. After that, I'm just going to go ahead, click on run here. So you can see it's running here. Let's go ahead and wait. Remember, we have 90 credits, but we are making use of 36 credits to generate our video. So let's go ahead and wait and see the result. All right, so the video generation was completed. So let's just go ahead and download it before we view it. So let's go ahead and watch the video. All right, so you can see that the video is actually very clean. That is exactly what I actually asked the AI to generate. So we are going to take a look at another example right now, but this time I'm going to make use of image to video. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on the plus icon again. Then I'm going to go ahead and select image to video. So once I select on it, this is going to open up. So over here, I'm going to connect this right here. And basically how the workflow work is simple. You upload an image here, then you enter a prompt here telling the AI what you want the image to do, and then you select the model here. So let me just go ahead and do it. I'm going to upload this image of an African woman in a kitchen. All right, so once the image is uploaded, I'm going to enter my prompts here, select the model I want to use. So I would have loved to use Veo 3 for this, but we don't have much credits for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Kling 3.0 again. Then I'm going to leave it on 5 seconds, and I'm going to leave it on intelligence. I'm going to turn the sound on again, then hit on generate. It's going to consume just 36. All right, so the video has been generated. You can see now we have 18 carats. So let's go ahead and play the video.
Oh my goodness, homemade food is the best, huh?
So you can see how high quality the video is, and we have been able to generate it using Kling 3.0 on this platform for free. All right, so now let me go ahead and show you guys how you can increase your credits on this platform so you can continue generating videos. So all you need to do is to come over here and click on invite. Now here you can see invite a friend to sign up, and both of you will receive 50 carats. So if you invite a friend to sign up, you get 50 carats, your friend also gets 50 carats. So all you need to do is to copy your code here and refer your friends. Once they sign up, both of you guys get free 50 carats. So the more people you invite to sign up, the more carats you get to generate your AI videos. This is basically how you can get access to Seedance 2.0, Kling Ai, and Veo 3.1 free with no upfront investments. So if you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like. And also, if you want to see more of my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like the one you just watched. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.